Step 1. Get the prompts. First, open the link in the video description and copy the prompts from my website. We'll use the first prompt to create our knight, the second one to create the giant dragon scene, and then the final prompt to bring everything to life as a video. Step 2. Generate the images. Before generating the final video, we need to create our reference images first. Let's start with the knight. Open Google Flow AI and sign in with your Google account. Tap New Project. Now, upload a selfie or photo of yourself. We're going to use this as the character reference so AI can transform you into the knight. Switch to image generation. Set the aspect ratio to landscape 16:9 and select Nano Banana 2 as the model. For the batch option, I recommend choosing the maximum of 4. This gives you several versions to choose from. Next, add the photo you just uploaded as your reference image. Now, copy image prompt number 1, the knight prompt from my website, and paste it into Flow. Hit send and give it a few moments to generate. And there we go. Your photo has now been transformed into a cinematic fantasy knight. Choose whichever result you like the most because we're going to use it for the next image. Now let's create the dragon scene. Take your favorite knight image and add it as the reference. Then copy image prompt number 2, the dragon prompt from my website, and paste it into Flow. Hit send again and wait for the result. And boom! Now your knight is standing right in front of a massive sleeping dragon. At this point, we have everything we need to turn this image into a cinematic video. Step 3. Generate the video. Now switch from image generation to video generation. Select Ingredients and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 landscape. For the video generation model, choose OmniFlash and set the duration to the maximum, which is 10 seconds. Now add both of the images we generated earlier, your knight image and the knight with dragon image as references. Go back to my website, copy the video prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Then just hit send. Give Flow a little time to process everything. And there it is. You've just turned yourself into a knight standing in front of a gigantic cinematic dragon, all created with AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and now go create your own viral fantasy scene.